Hey everybody, this is festooning part 4, and the question is, when do you take the dang strings off the tree? So I'm going to turn you around and show you. Now here's an apple tree that I festooned, and this branch here, you can is still holding strong. So I'm going to leave that one on one more year. Then I come over here. Can you see those strings just kind of dangling? So this one isn't even holding anything, and my tree is nice and horizontal, just how I want it. So I'm going to take this one out and free it from the base of the tree and cut it off. So then now, leave it on. You may have to do it a season or two. The tree will grow horizontally like you want it. Okay, that's it. I gotta finish cleaning up around here. And that's festooning part 4, when to take the strings off.